Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal the gym facilities sing Phanghankhre. Institute adugi student resident faculty members amadi staff singi physical fitness hengat hannaba amadi wakhal pothanaba amadi healthy oiba lifestyle amada leihannabagi pandamda Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma Director RIMS Imphal galonina Professor N Sanjib Singh Medical Superintendent RIMS amadi Professor L Rajesh Singh Din Academics RIMS na gym facilities sing adu haudokibani Nakalamaram the Department of Transfusion Medicine Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS na State Blood Transfusion Council Manipurga khusam naduna Continuing Medical Education CME program ama pangthokre rational Use of blood and patient blood management haiba hiramda RIMS ke banting hall the pangthokiba thoram aduda Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma Director RIMS na chief guest Professor N Sanjib Singh Medical Superintendent RIMS amadi Professor L Rajesh Singh Din Academics RIMS na President amadi guest of honor oina sargyaki
badminton and sort of thing. So I carry my your next shoe with my travels. Wherever I have an opportunity, I'll be playing. Beyond that, I happened to play when I was a student here. But by then I was not, we play some, there was not established things around. So we play football, sometimes cricket, and we didn't have much of a gym facility. But when I joined here, then we had a building for that, and I thought that I should be able to put the equipments quickly. But it took me close to 2.5 years to come to this day. So I'll be very happy to be, announcing here that putting the equipments inside was one of the most difficult job, because buying equipments is very tough in a government setup. So even simple buying of a dumbbell may be not that easy. So, putting aside everything, let me tell or share my, excitement with for the residents, for the faculties, for the staffs, for the nursing, everyone present. I think what we have to strive for is our health, because we don't, buy health, maybe the time also. So, two precious things in life will be how you spend your time with your good health. After that, we can do anything. We can buy many things, but not health and also the time. So we have to use our time, and we know that people will keep on telling why मेरे पास time नहीं है, ठीक है? But let me tell you on record, 24 घंटे सबकी बराबर है. To come maybe
from the public, people coming on New Year's for donation to avoid use of alcohol. So we have seen lots of activity in recent times, and we are very happy that our transfusion medicine department, even though we have a very minimal faculty strength, we are showing our strength in a different level. So I'm very proud of the potentials, and we still continue to aspire by our effort to serve the humanity and mankind. And today's topic, rational use of blood and patient blood management, deeply rooted in the ethical and critical imperatives of modern healthcare. I think it's one of the very touchy and also important themes that the CME is covering. The blood is truly a gift of life, irreplaceable, non-manufacturable, and dependent entirely on the generosity of the voluntary donors. And we have seen, as I have said, even within the campus, we have seen lots of doctors, even Professor Rajesh, and I think our MS and myself. I think many faculties are now are good donors on regular basis, not once a while. So it's a regular activity, and I have